Hey guys, it's Sebastian with Tacoma Lifestyle, and Christmas came early this year. Introducing the all-new Morimoto XB EVO headlight for the 3rd gen Tacoma. These new Morimoto headlights are a ground-up rebuild from the previous Morimotos. We ran the previous generation on our Tacoma and absolutely loved them. But when you look at them side to side, the design is completely different. These are way brighter, and the features, there's way more of them. So there will be 2 versions for the new 3rd gen Tacoma. There will be the XB EVO headlight and the XB Hybrid. The XB EVO is going to be your fully loaded with all the extra bells and whistles, and the Hybrid is going to be more of an affordable option. We won't be talking much about the Hybrid headlight in this video. We're going to exclusively be talking about what we have here today, the XB EVO. All of the optics that you see in this headlight are provided by the latest technology from Nichiya in Japan. Nichiya is known for many things when it comes to LEDs, and one of those is efficiency. These headlights are so efficient that they are only using about 50% of their light output. Yes, I said only 50% of the light output. So why do they only use 50% straight out of the box? This is completely to remain street legal and DOT compliant. Any brighter than they are coming straight out of the box, they are no longer street legal. So that being said, why would I buy a headlight that only uses 50% of its capability? And that gives me the perfect opportunity to show you guys my favorite part of this headlight, and that is the Supercharged driver. It increases the light output on your low beams and your high beams by 30%. And is incredibly easy to install. It's as easy as flipping the light like this and 4 screws on the bottom. This will pop out. You'll have to unplug 2 clips, plug in 2 more, put it back in, and you're ready to rock. So once the Supercharged driver is installed, your headlights are no longer street legal. It says right there on the Supercharged driver, off-road use only. One of the really cool options that Morimoto has provided with these new headlights and having a driver system is that not only does the Supercharged driver, but your driver that comes on the headlight itself has LED indicator lights to indicate if there is a problem with the headlight and what that problem is. Along with your headlight, you get your wiring harnesses. Morimoto has done something really cool here. You will be provided with the wiring to be able to wire your headlights to any 3rd gen Tacoma and all of the submodels. So previously, when you'd purchase a headlight, you'd have 2 options. You'd have a white DRL or an amber DRL. But with the new Morimoto XB EVOs, you have the Morimoto DRL key system, which allows you to change your DRL just by a single plug. You can go from white to amber just like that. Each set of headlights will come with 4 key options. Each one of these key options will let you choose a different configuration for DRL to turn signal. One of the coolest things about this key system is that you will be able to change the keys out to a different DRL with your headlights still installed. That's purely due to having this little pigtail extension so that you can plug in your DRL and unplug it while it's still installed in the vehicle. Each one of these keys will give you a different option for DRL to turn signals. Your blue key is going to give you a white DRL with a sequential turn signal. The red key will be a white DRL with a fade-off turn signal. Your green key will be an amber DRL with a fade-off turn signal. And your black key will be an amber DRL with a sequential turn signal. So for our headlights right now, we will be putting the black one in. Let me just show you guys again how easy it is to install. You take your key and you plug it right here into this until you hear that click. So now let's go over the cosmetics and build quality differences between the Morimoto EVOs versus the previous generation. So starting out, Morimoto added a very cool new feature called the defrost feature. For those of you that live in colder climates, know that this is a game changer. That comes just in time for us here in Utah. It's December and it gets cold. It's currently sub 40 degrees outside, and that is when this feature becomes available. In order to activate this system, you will flash your brights 4 times, and that will start the internal heating system to melt away any frost that is on your lens. So now let's talk about the opposite side of the year, when it's hot outside. We all know that these headlights can be exposed to yellowing, fading, cracking due to overexposure of UV rays. This is something that Morimoto has worked hard on with the new XB EVO to change. Morimoto has developed an all-new hard coating to take this to the next level of UV protection. We've just covered all of the technological advances of this new headlight. All of the things that you can't really see when you first walk up. So let's talk about what you do see. The actual appearance of this headlight. How does it look on the vehicle? How do we feel about the new styling? For me personally, I absolutely love it. I think the new 3-projector design looks incredible. The blacked out interior with the clear lens on the outside is immaculate. All of the little attention to detail that Morimoto put into the styling of this headlight is absolutely next level. One of the things that you don't notice until the headlight itself is actually lit up is how much attention to detail Morimoto really put into these. If you look closely, you'll see topographical designs are laced on the inside of the headlight. Everything that we've covered here today is covered by a 5-year warranty by Morimoto. Even when installing the Supercharged driver, your warranty stays intact. So now let's talk about the difference between the EVO and the hybrid headlight. The EVO headlight comes with 4 keys that allow you to alter the configuration of your DRL system, where the hybrids only come with 1 built-in configuration. The hybrid is white DRL only with a standard blinking turn signal. For us, the EVO is the obvious choice because of all of the amazing features you get over the hybrid headlight. Okay guys, so those are all of the features and all of the new things with the new Morimoto XB EVO headlights for the 3rd Gen Tacoma. We absolutely love it. I've said that so many times in this video, but we love these headlights and we cannot wait to put them on our Tacoma. We will link in our description down below an install guide on how to install these on your Tacoma. If you'd like to grab a pair of these for yourself, the link is in our description. Once again guys, I'm Sebastian from Tacoma Lifestyle, and we are so grateful for you guys watching. As always, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the new Morimoto headlights.